Hi food lovers, today we'll be making bread. So the first thing you're going to get is your mixing bowl and you're going to pour in some warm milk, keyword warm not hot, and then some sugar and your yeast. You're going to mix this together and set it aside for about 10 minutes and you would see that it bubbles up after 10 minutes. I mixed it before showing you guys the bubbles. I'm sorry about that. But then you know that the yeast has been activated. Then you add your flour, some salt, mix it together, and when it's all combined together, you're going to go ahead and add in your butter. I used about 1/3 of a cup of butter. I'll put all the measurements of everything that I used in the description box below so that you can make yours. So don't worry about it. Once the butter has been well incorporated, you're going to cover this and set aside in a warm place to rise for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now you'd see that it has doubled in size. If it hasn't doubled in size, just keep it back. Maybe yours will take a little bit longer, but it shouldn't take more than 60 minutes, I believe. So you're just going to deflate all the excess air and you're going to roll it on a flat surface that you flour so that it doesn't stick while you're rolling it together. And you're going to roll this into the shape of the pan you're using. I was using a loaf pan, so it was very much easier for me to roll it into that shape. Basically, what I did was get it into like a rectangle form and then roll it over each other like a log, basically. Like you want to cut up cinnamon rolls, but you won't cut it this time. So I put it in my greased baking pan and I covered this to rise for about 15 minutes, not that long, to rest rather. And then I put it in my preheated oven and I allowed this to bake. I'm going to put directions and the temperature and everything you need to know in the description box so that you can make yours. But I'm telling you, making this bread is very, very easy. You can tell it has gotten golden brown and is perfectly baked. And then I just took it out of the oven. And guys, my food lovers, look at how golden and scrumptious it is looking. I went ahead to put this on my chopping board after it had cooled for a bit though, and will I say spread? Yeah, spread some butter on it, just for that extra shine before slicing into it. And just look at that fluffy, yummy bread. You can go ahead to have this with your hot chocolate and enjoy. I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.